I just wanted to share a couple things that I received for our summer and camping guide. First of all, we've got some flip-flops here from Famo Layer. And they have, on the bottom, you can see the curve right there. Next, we have you can jump start your car or use it as a battery. It's for our camping guide. Schumacher. And then we have from a company called Year and Day. We have some glasses. And then we have this oh so cute throw blanket here in a robin's egg blue from, it's called Dazari. There it is. Oh. It's nice and plush. I love that color. All right, thanks for watching.